We finna go slide today.
Red bones kissing in the back. Red bones kissing in the back. Red bones. Red bones kissing in the backseat. Girl, don't stop, keep going and relax me. You want me to join in? Then ask me. I like girls who like girls that attract me.
So yo, YouTube, y'all can see, man, we got them little motherfuckers in the back. What we finna do, man? We finna go slime today. We finna get a little active, little slime. How you think you gonna do the damn slime little shit?
Man, I don't know, man. This spot that trail got to go into, man.
You know what I'm saying? Young nigga shit got stolen, but hey, gonna be your first time sliding new wine by the motherfucker. How you think you gonna slide that bit today?
Pretty good. I don't know. They know.
Hell nah. Where that way go? Wine by the scat on them folks, man. Side red, good. Oh, you got suede in that shit? The fuck? That front bumper just so tough. Oh god. Ooh. Sunroof on them folk, man. Come on, God. Hey. Ooh. Ford carbon on the goddamn door handle. White LED lights. This bitch is hard. This bitch tough. But yeah, man, we'll see y'all when we get ready to go sliding and shit. Just, hey, we'll see y'all at the spot. We wanna go first? I don't wanna start it off, man. Somebody else start it off, man. Come on. Go on, start it off, Jay. You the crash out. Come on, go on, start it off, man.
Bro, man, I gotta do that shit again, bro.
Oh shit. Huh?
My trace went all the way out, bro.
That bitch went. That bitch so you said that bitch was locking up on you a little bit.
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
He went too far out, dude. I gotta show him, bro. Hold on.
Bro, hit so
Let me show you, Jay. Let me show you. Let me show you, Jay. You seemed like you was scared. It seemed like you were doing, but then you got scared when you saw us right here. That big gonna swing. I'm gonna show you how I did it.
Three different states. I need a cat, Brody hit me back and dropped his ETA. Broke the window, owner came out, this chopper BTA. Never got like it, yeah, fuck the county, they gon' out the case. 40 cells silently switching, we turn his face to face. Niggas leave they cats inside the driveway. Bad bitches all inside my car, screaming fuck the chase. My DM looking for a scat, that shit was out the state. Blow jumpers, y'all don't need no bookie, go and cop a J. Bitches think they fucking me tonight, y'all really linking say. Next summer, fuck the more guns, I'm whipping out the plate. Not the cooking type, these 2 to 3 burn a nigga face. Brand new effing with a black slide. Going after the take lies. Bro, the type to drown up in that water, he got baptized. Bro, don't want no stress inside the cat, these bitches too illegal. Striking music. We like to steal from people. 5.56, these bullets longer than a fucking needle. All the ass just bought a cat, last time to stretch some shit. I just put a deuce inside my cup, it got some ice in it. Bitches see the cat, but I wanna fuck my wife and bitch. Stolen engine, plug the OBD to pin it, don't I got caught forever, fuck the cops, I don't know where my
Oh man, what the fuck is you doing, cuz?
I need to roll back to the woods. I need to roll back to the front.
Roll back to the front. He did the front back.
It's I need a front back.
I'm gonna run it straight and bitch get left at the cops. Yeah, outside the pussy, niggas gon' die. I got the wheels, so go ahead, tell me.
Oh my God, nigga, turn me off.
Deputies is kinda racist, how they point guns. Bro, ass got a worm. What's your name? His ass ain't saying nothing. Put them cuffs on my wrists and say my toes. Niggas give us like this can't cost $100. To look like this, you gotta take a risk. The police running. It's okay though, my blood really was. Holy Jesus. In the county, worried as a bitch, I couldn't even piss. Time in the hostel drinking activists. I ain't eating shit, they in that tray, I think I'm passing it. What you here for? Old ass nigga said he choked the bitch. Okay, now I'm really like I shouldn't be here. The nigga to my right was busting 15 for a heater. Put a button on it, beat a cracker ass for saying that. I'm the type of bitch that I don't fuck with all the 20902, ain't my number, using
You did that bitch in. Oh, my mom, you got that bitch in.
God.
right across from me was trying to give me hope. OG in the corner, louder than the bitch, he wanted coke. On the phone with first time in, trying to get me out. She called the jail and had the police right here, tell he number down. I called her ass, she screaming in the phone like how I pay you. It's my she got waited out. It's a fucked up situation, how they played it, bro. Me and Travis, still can't put on hold. Every hits, I'm coming for your neck, my face gon' give you bold. From the other D, but how the fuck I end up ain't gon' know. Yeah, I get peace.
Shit, your shit sparking. Sparking? Yeah. Hell no. Fuck that. Damn, nigga, y'all had threw hella rocks.
Oh God, you didn't let me start my feet on the inside. Watch that, y'all. He finna do some shit. I'm telling y'all, he ain't done. Just because he ain't do no right, don't mean he ain't gonna do no right. Look, he's stopping. What I tell you? Man, so how you feel, man, on your spin, man?
Shit, hey, I spent that.
Oh shit, hey, y'all shit bling, yeah. I feel you. Y'all nigga just had to catch the feeling of that bitch. Hey, you know what I'm saying? He caught the feeling of that bitch. Y'all nigga went crazy.
Hey, it took me like what, 2-3 times?
Hell yeah.
2-3 times. I
He
got
caught
that
the feeling. That was over with.
Right. Hey, Tandem coming soon.
I'm telling, hey, y'all, this time we're gonna be in that bitch together. Just give us some time, bro. We're gonna keep learning. You know what I'm saying? How you felt on your last little spin? Oh my mama. Shit, we giving them boys a POV drive from the back, goddamn. Yeah, get on y'all niggas a POV drive. Hey, you might wanna watch what you got going on your phone though, buddy. You. The POV triangle so hard.